family. We name our lantern Usbong, which means proud or grow. Why Usbong? As you can see, our lantern is full of floral elements, a symbol of new beginnings, a time to grow and bloom once again with renewed hope. The parol, lantern, is a traditional Filipino Christmas decoration that symbolizes hope, faith, and joy. We use various materials, each with its own meaning. The white beans symbolizes purity and spiritual growth. The red beans represent sincere love and genuine care for others. The mung beans symbolize prosperity and good luck. The black seeds represent letting go of the negativity from this year and welcoming a new life in the coming year. The corn, with its golden color, symbolizes a bountiful harvest for our farmers. The abaca fiber represents the creativity and resilience of Filipinos. Its strong and durable nature reflects the Filipino spirit, especially in times of hardship. The bilao, woven tray, symbolizes the hope for an abundant harvest in the coming year. The egg trays represents protection and the abundance of opportunity. The banana leaf stands for our deep connection to nature, which is an important source of livelihood for the people in our community. The jackfruit leaf symbolizes the challenges we face, like the thorns of the jackfruit, and the sweetness of its fruit represents the rewards that comes when the right time comes. Just like how our hardship brings lessons that lead to a better life. Ang bilen sa aming parol ay sumisimbolo sa pagdating ng ating tagapagligtas. Samantalang ang mga anghel naman sa ibaba ay sumisimbolo sa galak ng langit nang siya'y isinila. Sa gawain ito, tinuruan kaming umasa sa isa't isa at maging malikhain para makabuo ng isang magandang kakalabasan. Hindi lamang isang parol na binuo dahil sa kailangan sa paaralan, kundi isang parol na may kwento at puno ng karanasan. Thank you po.
Likod!
Likod. Pakita sa likod. Huwag mong takpan yung likod.
Rival yung likod. Pwede nga sa flower festival.